Hello, anyone and everyone who's watching. Quite weird to talk to a camera, but today, or in this video, hopefully I'll be transforming this beast into this beast. So what have we got? New wheels and tyres, cassette, chain, cranks, single chainring, cables, crucially Tanpan 10 speed, which means you can use STI shifters with a 10 speed mountain bike mech, handlebars, rear mech 10 speed, seat post, shifters 10 speed, saddle and seat clamp, inner tubes, very important, handlebar tape. So that's pretty much it. Right, let's get cracking. First issue I had, these old 6-speed wheels, you can't fit a 10-speed cassette on them. They're the old freewheel style hubs. So I had to buy new wheels, these ones in fact, which were eBay jobbies. Gonna go fully geek on you now. Got the kitchen scales out. Just gonna see how much these will actually weigh. Rear wheel on. Oh, it's not great. Front wheel. About 850 grams. So basically a 2 kilo wheel set. Not fantastic, but they were only 60 quid off eBay, so not too bad. As the old saying goes, buy cheap, buy twice. And I was just spinning these the other day. Literally feels like the bearings are made from stones rather than actual ball bearings. They're so gritty. So first things first, I'm going to service these hubs. Horrible. Ball bearing servicing. Get the chair out. Desperate times, calling the big guys. First injury. While I'm here, I am going to add some more grease in, just because it's a bit shit. These bearings actually run alright. They were just over tightened from the factory, so they're going to be alright. Quick visit to the aid station. It's actually just getting blood all over my tools. I literally cut myself every time I work on bikes at the moment. Actually so much better now, so glad I did that. Now we've just got to do the front as well. Bit of a strange one. 26 by 1 3/8. 26-inch wheel. Explain that to me, I don't know. So I think they actually look quite good with the tan wool from the original tyres. So yeah, happy with that. And the bit I'm most excited for, putting the wide range cassette on that wheel. I think it's going to look sick. I think that looks absolutely mint. It's almost as big as the wheel, God's sake. That's pretty cool. Should be good. Now we're going to strip some parts off the bike. First real tip out is these drop bars will not slip through there, through the stem. Found a solution. I think I'm going to use the Peugeot as a bit of a donor bike and take these drop bars off. So GoPro's died, so I'm just on my phone, but just whipped the forks out As you can see, headset's just a little grimy. That's the next job, whip those out, give them a little clean down and reassemble, and re-grease and reassemble. Give these a clean while I'm at it. Old cranks off with the crank puller. This bottom bracket is about the ugliest thing on this whole bike, but oh well. Sorry, the original mech has the hanger bracket as part of it. You can't detach it, so I had to get a new bracket with a threaded holes to take the mech in there. And yeah, the new mech screws straight into the hanger there. This is actually a Deore 11-speed mech, but the 11-speed, I believe, works with 10-speed cassettes. So those two should pair really nicely together. Oh yeah, I put the cranks on as well, the purple cranks, so she's looking good. Ready to go tomorrow. Got to clean up all this mess. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Welcome back, day 2 of the build. Slept on it, and I'm definitely gonna sacrifice these bars. I don't really want to, but just need to do some engineering adjustment to the clamp, which I've had to bend open. Best part of 2 hours. Or maybe an hour. But I finally got it. There we go. Anyway, finally got some forks on there. I mean, what? Handlebars. So, Tanpan is installed. There you go. So yeah, cable comes out round the small one, round and under, and then round the larger one. And it actually works. Crazy. And the finishing touch. Bar tape. Here we go. Yo! There we go, pretty much done. Looks good. So this is it, a complete build. Thought I'd film on my phone because it's a bit better. Yeah, really happy with how it's turned out, to be fair. Second-hand shifters, but hey. I've got the cantilevers running up through the original stem. Frame's looking good. New seat post, saddle, clamps, cantilevers at the back, and the 1x10 drivetrain. So yeah, I think that's just about complete. There we go, build complete. So thanks for watching. Hopefully the video is alright. I haven't made it yet, so yeah, till next time, peace.